Hey guys, it is Stocklock Sunday, and today I have one of these pretty crappy locks, but still a pick though. Something to pick on. Made in China. I think it's SOO, but I'm not sure. Get the camera up. The other way. I'm kind of expecting this to be quite easy, so I can get this video over with. Have other stuff to do today, so just want this done and then get back to all of that. That seems to work. Alright, let's try. Nothing on 1. Click on 2. Click on 3. Nothing on 4. Click on 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. It might be 2. Gotta click out of that. Another click on 2. Click on 3. Nothing on 4. Click on 2 again. Click on 3. Click on 4. Slide turn. Click on 1 and open. So that was quite easy. It's already very short. Let's just quickly try to rake, rock and zip it just to see if it is possible with a quick attack. Start with rocking. We could rock it open. Come on, lock up. There we go. Try to zip it. Oops, taking the whole vise with me. It doesn't really feel like it's possible. Nah. I'm just taking the vise with me. Okay. Let's try to rake it with a S-rake first and see what we get out of that. Sorry for all the movement on the camera. Doesn't really seem like we could rake it with the S-rake. Let's try a sparrow's worm. Now I can get in. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try the bow guitar. No, I'm sure you can rake this, but it shakes the table too much. And maybe zipping as well, but again it takes the vise with it. But we could easily rock it and quite easily SPP it as well. So terrible luck, but I actually like the look of them. I think they look cool, but they are very, very bad. Alright guys, that's Stocklock Sunday. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats a lock. And have a great Sunday, guys.